can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency markets. Over the last 7 days, we've seen altcoins give back some of their gains. Over the last 24 hours, a lot of altcoins are down double digits. Are we still going to see that altcoin season pump? We'll look at altcoin season index on a monthly and on the seasonal time frame. When will those altcoins start flying to the moon? We'll also look at the meme coin market. New story going around the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are very bullish. Big price targets: Ethereum to $10,000, Bitcoin to $200,000. We'll talk about sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. And right now, Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, currently trades above $110,000. And even though market participants are still feeling neutral, they are not bullish, they are not bearish, we can see that Bitcoin is trading at a very high price. Ethereum is trading around $4,300. Are we going to start dumping to Goblin Town? Is the cycle over? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Over the last 1 year, we have been pumping in the cryptocurrency market. It's been a bull market in hindsight. Bitcoin is up 86%. We have meme coins up thousands of percentage points. But right now, we're waiting for that epic altcoin season pump. And on the seasonal time frame, we are not in altcoin season. Now, when we get to altcoin season, it means altcoins would have outperformed Bitcoin over a 90-day period. Like right now, in the last 90 days, Bitcoin is up 1.9%. We have some altcoins that are still doing poorly better than Bitcoin, Pepe, Render, and Tau, Pi. I believe in the coming days and coming weeks, we're going to see this metric shift towards altcoin season. And if you look at it on a monthly time frame, we have been staying around that altcoin month now. I'll not be shocked if in the next few days we see us celebrating another altcoin month. Bitcoin is down 8% over the last 1 month. A lot of altcoins are doing better than Bitcoin. You know, when the market pumps, altcoins pump harder than Bitcoin, even though when the market dumps, altcoins dump harder than Bitcoin. Now, altcoins are very volatile. They are very volatile. That's why market participants love them. If you're looking for that 10x, that 20x, it's in the altcoin market. But in the bear market, when Bitcoin is down 80%, your altcoin will be down 99+%. Down in Goblin Town. Now, if you look at what Bitcoin has done since the 8th of April 2025, Bitcoin has rallied to higher prices, going from as low as $74,000. We have seen Bitcoin get to as high as $124,000. Bitcoin got there on the 14th of August 2025. It's been 128 days of Bitcoin rallying by 66%. All the hype have been on Bitcoin, digital asset treasury companies, yada. Michael Saylor is buying. We're going to the moon forever. BlackRock ETFs. Bitcoin has only rallied up by 66% over the last 128 days. Now, if you come over to the altcoin market, Ethereum, which was being clowned in the cryptocurrency market earlier in April, since the 9th of April, we have seen Ethereum also go from as low as $1,392 to as high as $4,955, a 254% increase in the price of Ethereum. So you can see clearly Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin, and right now a lot of market participants are noticing that, and you are seeing more action in Ethereum. If you look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market over the last 24 hours, more than 108,000 traders have been liquidated. The total liquidation comes in around $340 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on Binance. One trader lost $2.6 million. The bulls lost over $281 million. The bears are down $58 million. Be careful out there, guys. You don't want to lose your hard-earned money, but you can see most of those liquidations are coming on Ethereum longs. A lot of market participants are betting on the price of Ethereum to continue going to the moon, and they lost more than $111 million. Now, let's look at Ethereum's US dollar price chart on a daily time frame. Yes, Ethereum has been tearing to higher prices. It has been rallying up aggressively, up more than 250% at any point in time in the last few months. If you bought Ethereum, you would have probably be in the money right now. But is the rally over? I don't think it's over. There's a consensus that Ethereum will break to new all-time highs. I believe in that consensus, but that's where my own idea of the market cycle end comes. I believe we're going to see Ethereum rally to as high as maybe $5,700. I don't know why I'm choosing $5,700. But around the 5,000 regions, maybe if we're lucky, we see Ethereum get to as high as $6,000. But I assume Ethereum will be pumping. The charts will be showing a bearish divergence on the RSI because Ethereum will pump to higher prices. For Ethereum to get to $6,500, that's a 50% pump. And if Ethereum just even give us a 20% pump to the upside, which is possible, which can happen over a period of 7 days or a period of 1 month, Ethereum could easily get to as high as $5,700. I'm not overly optimistic on the price of Ethereum. I'm not one of those market participants that believe we'll see Ethereum rallying to $7,000, rallying to $10,000. Why is that, guys? It's because I believe this market cycle is coming to an end. If you look at Ethereum's valuation against gold, it's not near all-time highs. Ethereum is not even trading where it was trading back in December of 2024. It's not even near where it was trading in March of 2024. 2021 December, for Ethereum to go back to where it was trading against gold, we need to see Ethereum rally up by around 100% from where it's currently trading. Is that possible? That's always possible. Never say never. But 100% pump from where Ethereum is currently trading right now, we see us around $8,000. And even Bitcoin, the king of the market, if you look at Bitcoin's valuation against gold, Bitcoin has not set new all-time highs in its valuation against gold. And that's a worrying sign. Maybe the dollar is just getting inflated. That's why we're celebrating Bitcoin's all-time highs in US dollar price terms. But let's remember, guys, at some point in time, the rally will come to an end. And I strongly believe we are getting very, very close to that point in time where the rally will come to an end, because Bitcoin dominance is dumping in the cryptocurrency market. Historically, Bitcoin dominance dumping has been a sign that we are getting to the end of that market cycle. It means market participants are getting very, very greedy. That's why there's always talks about altcoin season. We are going to see altcoin season when altcoin is going to go parabolic. Altcoins going up 100% in 1 week, and altcoin rallying up by 76% just because the US government released the news that they'll be using that blockchain. Is some early signs of Altseason. We have seen BNB pump to new all-time highs. We have seen Ethereum get to new all-time highs. We have seen Bitcoin get to new all-time highs. We have seen XRP even get to new all-time highs. So I'll not be shocked, guys, if in the coming days and coming weeks we start seeing some other altcoins having this exponential pump. My primary target for Bitcoin dominance is still around the 50% region. I believe Bitcoin dominance will dump progressively, and the final dump is going to be where we'll see most of those gains, because that's where market participants are going to go all in. And that's the same time we're going to see the last bears getting liquidated. Some bears that are already into their shorts, rightly so, they're going to get liquidated before we eventually start our dump to gobbling town. If you look at what Bitcoin has done since the 22nd of May 2025, Bitcoin is basically trading in the same price region. In May 2025, that's the 22nd of May, there was greed in the cryptocurrency market. There was extreme greed. We were singing kumbaya. Bitcoin just hit $110,000 for the first time in its price history. But right now, Bitcoin is currently trading around $110,000, and I don't see any greed in the cryptocurrency market. As market participants ask themselves that $1,000,000 question: is the cycle over? Is the top in? Are we already in that beginning phase of the bear market where people are buying the dip, but the dip keeps dipping? Only time will tell, but right now there's some early signs that we have gone through the blow of top already, and Bitcoin is getting ready for that complacency bounce. Complacency bounce is when everybody in the market is very, very sure that we're going to continue pumping to the moon, maybe November, December, Q4, 2026. Your favorite influencers out there is telling you the bull market is not over. They're telling you that we still have a long way to go. But guys, always remember you're playing a game right here, and the game is to buy low to sell high. You have to ask yourself, if I was one of the smart individuals that bought Bitcoin at $15,000, wouldn't I be selling at the $100,000 level? I've not been hearing stories of some OGs selling over 100,000 Bitcoins over the last 1 month. We had another OG selling 20,000 pieces worth of Bitcoin, and these guys bought their Bitcoin in 2011. So I asked myself, if they bought in 2011, they bought Bitcoin below $10,000. Right now they're selling above $100,000. Do you want to be buying at that price region? If you look at the total cryptocurrency market cap, which currency sits at the $3.75 trillion level, we could easily see it getting to new all-time highs. One of the telltale signs that will be at the ending phase of the market cycle is when we see the total crypto market cap getting to new all-time highs. We don't see Bitcoin setting new all-time highs, but we see Ethereum and other altcoins in the market popping to new all-time highs. That will be one of the epic signals that the cycle is cooked. Run for the hills, because the big dump to goblin town awaits. We have been in a bull market or we're being a retracement, depending on how you say it. But since November of 2022, we have been rallying to higher prices. We have seen Bitcoin first come to previous all-time highs. We've seen total crypto market cap come to previous all-time highs in March of 2024. We saw it rally to a new all-time highs in December of 2024. And right now, in August of 2025, we're seeing it set another new highs. And one important thing to look out for, guys, is that as we're setting new highs, you can see that the RSI is actually reducing. The momentum is reducing. We're not setting new highs on the RSI chart in March. In March 2024, we went into the oversold territory. You can see that in 2025, in December 2024, we didn't get to that territory, and right now in July of 2025, the RSI got stopped out around the 70 region. In the coming days and coming weeks, expect more dumping Bitcoin dominance, but more dumping Bitcoin dominance will lead us to that epic altcoin season, and hopefully that will improve sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, because right now sentiment is neutral. The bulls and the bears can't agree where we are going to. They are caught in the middle. Bitcoin is trading about $110,000. We're hearing questions. Is this a cycle top? Is it over? Ethereum is trading around $4,300. And the last few days, market participants have been caught in limbo. I believe the next move will be the move that will send us shooting to the moon. But at the same time, that will be the next move that will see many people go all in at a very, very wrong time. That's when you start hearing calls of Altseason. Many people will not sell, or many market participants will not sell, because they believe it will continue going higher. We have outrageous price predictions. Almost everybody holding an altcoin or anybody holding a cryptocurrency have his own price targets. So think about it. People that are thinking Bitcoin will go to $200,000, they're going to be holding till the end of next year, maybe the end of next bear market. But from my personal opinion, I don't think Bitcoin is heading towards $300,000. Since when Bitcoin dominance started dumping, that has been the telltale sign that there's trouble in paradise. Bitcoin has been dumping right now. Bitcoin dominance has been dumping right now for about 70 days. The Fed is going to be cutting interest rate very soon. Let's look at news stories going around in the cryptocurrency market. Guys, at the top, there's never ever trouble in paradise. You're going to be hearing good news in the cryptocurrency market. 92 crypto-related ETPs in the works. Floodgates to open soon. Unicorn says the SEC distorted its filing in $100 million fraud case. US ETF now a major source of Bitcoin spot trading volume. Solana lobby groups add $500,000 to Roman Storm defense war chest. That's good to see. US bank move $312 billion in dirty money, but still being crypto. I wonder why cryptocurrency market always getting hits from the US banks. Crypto executive team up for $200 million Bitcoin infrastructure acquisition. 21 shares files to launch STH ETF, joining the race with Canary Capital. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Do you believe the bull market is over? Do you believe we're going to see that epic altcoin season pump? We have seen Python going parabolic as Trump admin taps blockchain oracle for data verification. Chainlink too should join the party, because Chainlink, one of the blockchain that was also tapped. The US government tapped Chainlink and Python to publish economic data on chain. A lot of market participants are expecting Bitcoin to hit that $260,000 level. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you believe we're going to see $200,000, maybe even $150,000? If you look at the meme coin market, one of the strongest indicators of when market participants are getting overexcited. The meme coin market is down in the last 24 hours, down in the last 7 days, down in the last 30 days. Remember, the game you're playing is to buy when the market is down, to sell when the market is pumping, to buy when there's fear in the market, to sell when greed return back into cryptocurrency market. And in the coming days and the coming weeks, we see Pepe, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Pogo Penguin, Bong, all having crazy 20, 30, 40, maybe 50% pumps. Guys, that may be a telltale sign to run for the hill. That may be a telltale sign that the cycle is over. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. How long do you think we'll continue pumping? Do you believe the cycle is over, or do you see us dumping to Goblin Town very, very soon? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.